Now we will draw the isometric view for this orthographic projections. Here also front and side views, those are given, right? Now we can consider this as the front view and this is the side view, right? Now if you observe this, here a flat portion you can see, and this is the groove, and this groove in this direction it is not visible and it is shown here. That means it is throughout the rectangular piece, right? And here one hole, here one hole, and this is the portion we can see, and this one is centrally located. That means this portion is at the center portion. Okay, this we can justify, and it seems to be a bearing support. Okay, now I will draw the respective isometric view. 30 degrees line, and this is a 30 degrees line. Okay, now draw a rectangular block by considering parallel line to that. Okay, a rectangular block. In this rectangular block, if you see in this direction, this side view will come. In this direction, we can see the front view. Right. Now here 15, 15. You can put 15 mm, and from here 15 mm. Okay. After that, this one is 20 and this is 6. This is 6. 6. Right. This groove is over. Next one, centrally we need to draw this, right? Here 15, 35, 15, 35, right? I want to extend this, right? Now it may be 15, okay? The student need to draw this with exact dimensions. It will give us correct reading. Next, this is 35. From here to here, 35. Okay, and draw parallel line to this. Right, this is the parallel line, and this is 40. Then it's 20. 20. Parallel line to this. Right. Okay, here a hole of diameter equal to 16, therefore 8, 8, 8, 8, with 8, 8, and these two we can draw, but for this I can give the centers, right? Okay, now I want to draw this one at centrally. Okay, here do this one, 55, 55, and here 55, parallel line to this. Here it will be, right? And this one, this is 20 mm. Here also 20 mm. And parallel line. This is 55. From here it is 55. That means 110. The total is 130. Therefore it is 20. Right. Now 20. This is 20. This is 20. This is 20. Okay, right. Now we can construct the top face also. This is the top face, right? This here to here. This radius equal to 20. Therefore, I want to draw 20 here, 20 here, next 20 and 20. Okay, now parallel line to this, parallel line to this, parallel and parallel. Okay, right. Now we need to construct this circle as well as half circle, right? And for both, those are the concentric. Locate the midpoint. Obviously it seems to be midpoint, and it is vertical line. Draw a vertical line from here, right? Okay, and extend this. For the outer half circle, this is 20, 20, 20, this one itself speaks about the outer half circle. And here we can draw directly by taking this center. For that, this we need to draw, and to draw this arc, this is the center. Okay, this half circle, that is sufficient, right? No need to draw other construction line. Next, for the other side also, that means rear portion, this one we need to construct. These are the respective diagonals. This is one diagonal, and this is the other diagonal, right? Next one, in this curve we can draw, and for this curve we need to draw diagonal line, and for that center also you need to draw this one. Okay, these two over. Next one, at the middle also, okay, here, this one is the middle, and this one is 20 diameter, that means 10, 10 and 10, 10 we need to consider at this portion. And respective construction, I need to finish it. To avoid confusion, if the student draw the respective arcs immediately, that is somewhat convenient for him, right? And these are the diagonals already there, and this one, okay, and here to here, and here to here, construction line. Okay, the similar we need to draw on the other face also. Okay, here 10 and 10, right, and 10, from 10. Next, this is 10. Okay, next, this is the diagonal. Okay, and when we see in this direction, only this portion may visible, so that we can draw that portion directly from here. Okay, leave that one. Okay, next, you need to draw a constructional line, and here at center, this is 40 at 20. Need to look at this, right? Again, here also one more parallel parallelogram we need to construct. This the 8, this is 16. Therefore 8, and with 8 at this portion, and here 8, here also 8. Okay, this diagonal. Therefore for that, this will be the center. Sorry, these two I can write, we can draw this one and this one. This one is the center. Alright, okay. Now we will draw the respective diagram. Okay, right. And this one. Okay. And this as the center. Draw an arc in between these two. Okay. Right. This point as the center. Draw an arc. Okay. Next one. For the outer one also. This is the point. This point as the center. This point as the center. You need to draw an arc. And you can darken it. This is visible portion. Next for this is the center, and with that you need to draw an arc. Okay, it will be like this. Actually, you need to draw a line in between these two. After that, you need to cut it. Okay, this portion over. Next, this central circle, pink color, you need to follow. Right, this as the center. Draw this arc. This is the center. Draw an arc here. This is the center. Draw an arc. This is the center. Draw an arc. Okay. This one is over. Next, observe the rear face. Okay, the rear face pink color. This one. Right. And this portion may be visible. This is the center. You need to draw an arc here, like this. Okay, this portion only visible from this side, the rear end of circle. Okay, remaining portion, we can leave it. Now, darken the visible required portions. And up to this is visible, and here, two holes are there. Okay, for this as the center, you need to draw this, and this as the center, you need to draw this, and this as the center, draw it, and this as the center, draw it. Okay, here also the thickness of this one is 20 minus 6, only 14, right? No? Okay, at 14. At this portion, construct parallel line to right side isometric axis, parallel line to left side isometric axis, right? And this is 16. Therefore, you need to look at 8, 8, 8, and you need to draw the respective parallelogram. And here, observe it. Okay, this portion of hole is visible from that in the front view itself. Okay, if you see like this, that portion also visible, right? For that, directly this point at the center, this is the acute angle, that is the reason this point at the center, you need to draw curve in between these two. But in this also visible portion only you can draw, right? Okay, now come here. In this portion only visible. Okay, this is the center, this is the acute angle. These arcs we can draw, but it is invisible. This point at the center, draw an arc. It will be like this. Okay, this much hole only it is visible on the other side, right? Right, this is 40. And this is 16. Next to this, next here radius is 20. Next one, here to here, this is this one 35, right? The remaining leave it as it is, right? Now this is the isometric view. If it is given in the examination and asked to draw respective orthographic projections, this is also, I can erase it. Okay, now it is good, right? Then you can observe, this is, let us assume this is the front view. This is the front view. Okay, if you assume this is the front view, you can see 40, that is the 40 mm here. And this groove, this is the groove. Here also a small line, I forgot to draw. Here, this one we need to draw parallel to the axis. Okay, this is the through groove, therefore dotted line. Next, this hole at this portion, okay, up to this only, right? And remaining portion you can draw easily, right? If you go for the right side view, in the right side view, okay, this portion it is visible and the two holes are not visible. That is the reason. These two, okay, this hole also not visible, and it is looks like a rectangle, right? Okay. Now, if it is isometric is given, we can draw the orthographic also.